Hi everyone, and welcome back to your third lesson on time. So as always, in your previous lessons, I'd like to pause the video and answer these 4 questions. You shouldn't be using a calculator for anything. So for question number 1, you have to calculate what is 41.9 multiplied by 100. For question 2, you have to state what type of angle this is here. For number 3, you have to round 2.56 to 1 decimal place. And then for question number 4, you have to tell me how many seconds it is in a minute. Okay, so pause the video, answer these questions, and come back and I'll go over them with you. Okay, so for question 1, you were to multiply 41.9 by 100. So if we have a decimal and we're multiplying by 100, we pick our decimal place up and we bring it forward 2 places. In this gap here, we replace it with a 0. So our answer is 41.90. Okay. Question number 2, what type of angle is this? It is an obtuse angle. If you have a look at it, it's bigger than 90 degrees, but it's less than a straight line, so that means it must be an obtuse angle. Okay. Question number 3, you have to round 2.56 to 1 decimal place, so we look at the second number after the decimal point. Because this number is greater than 5, so if this number was a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that means we round this number in front up. So our answer is 2.6. Okay. And then for the last question, how many seconds is there in a minute? Nice and easy, there is 60 seconds in a minute. Okay. Right, what are we doing today? Our learning intention. We are learning to add and subtract minutes and seconds. We will know if we're successful if we can do that. Okay, so really nice and easy and straightforward. So, example number 1. I want you to add 4 minutes and 30 seconds to 2 minutes and 25 seconds. So, just like our previous exercise, our previous lesson when we were working out time differences, we're going to use this method here of adding up our minutes and seconds separately. So, lay out in columns. So we have 4 minutes and 30 seconds and 2 minutes and 25 seconds. So in total, we have 55 seconds and we have 6 minutes. So our final answer would be 6 minutes and 55 seconds. That is obviously a super simple example, and we can all really do that in our heads. Okay. Right, our second example, I want you to add 3 minutes and 35 seconds and 9 minutes and 45 seconds. So, if we lay out in our columns again, we have 3 minutes and 35 seconds, add 9 minutes and 45 seconds. So if we look at our seconds column, first of all, if we add 35 and 45, so we add the 2 5s, and that gives me 10, carry over the 1. And then we have a 3 and a 4, which gives me 7 plus this 1 is 8. And then if we look at our minutes column, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, so that gives me 12 minutes and 80 seconds. What's wrong with that? Yeah, we need to remember this up here. There is 60 seconds and 1 minute. So this, your seconds column, can't be any bigger than 60. Okay, so what we need to do at this point is say that if I take 60 away from the 80, that leaves me with 20 remainder. When I take away that 60, I make another whole minute. So my final answer is 13 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. Number 3, we have to subtract 2 minutes and 35 seconds from 5 minutes and 40 seconds. So we're subtracting from 5 minutes and 40 seconds. So that is the one that goes at the top of my columns. So it's the top row. Okay, so 5 minutes 40, subtract 2 minutes 35. So take the 35 away from the 40 to leave me with 5 seconds. And take the 2 away from the 5, so that leaves me with 3 minutes. So my final answer is 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay? Right. Example D, we have to subtract 3 minutes and 30 seconds from 7 minutes and 20 seconds. So, again, lay it out in our columns, 7 minutes 20 seconds, subtract 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So, if we're going to take the 30 away from the 20, so 0, take away 0, we'll leave me with 0. 2 take away 3, we can't do that, so we need to borrow from there. So we score out our 7 minutes and we take it down to 6 minutes. So we've borrowed 1 whole minute and we bring that over there and we add it on, okay? So really what we've got is 80 minutes here. If we add these two together, subtract the 30, so we're left with 50 seconds, and then we've got 6 take away 3 to leave me with 3. So my final answer would be 3 minutes and 50 seconds, okay? We're basically just setting these up like chimney sums here, okay? Right guys, it's a super quick lesson today, so it's now your turn. So you're going to go and try the lesson number 3. Mark your answers once you've done it and then upload it onto the class notebook. As always, give me a shout if you need a hand with anything. Good luck!